Big up everybody who check in. Remember for like, share, comment and subscribe. Now, we don't see the Prime Minister will win a general election. Not when the opposition has now taken control of Clarendon and is now saying the mayor should resign. As I say, I ask you, tell me who support. If you support the current administration, come in JLP. If you want to see the opposition in power, come in PMP. Remember, when you walk on there, we continue reasoning. Look and listen.
We're not doing nothing illegal. We following the act. We following the act. We're not doing nothing illegal. So we following the act. But we're not doing nothing illegal. You can't tell me to where. You can't tell me to where.
I would suggest, minority leader, you let good sense prevail. And I'm saying to you, we will take it where it falls on the agenda.
Mr. Chairman, what does the act states that should happen in the event of a tie?
According to the law, that future is secure and safe. The law says you can't remove the mayor once he's appointed. When I became mayor, we were 12-10, and so that holds, even though they would have won the seat. On Friday, the 12-10 situation would have been the one that would have helped to make sure that I continue to serve as the mayor. Right. And it is in the law.
Now, the government also say, them believes that the Integrity Commission I try them best to make the Prime Minister look away to the people of Jamaican Island right before a general election. And even if it is true, what it shows is that even government entities want the Prime Minister to step aside, or at least want the Jamaican people to vote him out. So not only are we seeing the opposition saying them want to be the new government and people supporting them, now we are see what the government themselves are say is government entities themselves saying things about the Prime Minister. Now, what I said to me and to the rest of the people is that somewhere along the line, you know when we share, but the Prime Minister and the government at large forget about the people we put them in power. Them forget it was actually voters voting for them. And them also forget it. At the time, they were seen as the best option. Some would say the only option. Now when people have a choice and who they want to see in power, they might realize, say, but wait, the amount of support they did have in the first term, it was less. In the second term, and now as they must seek a third term, they might want them have any support in the same way. From people in the private sector to people, to the average people, average Jamaicans. Remember, people have been frustrated, and it was that frustration and that want for better will make the people vote for the government. You know, let the government forget. It was that very same situation. Now the thing is, the people that say after 2 terms, them still feel the same frustration. Coupled with things that the government do, what the people now agree with. While saying you have more people employed and the government and the economy do better than it's ever done, them rise parliamentarian wages and raise up everybody else pay. Well, them get increased, but them raise up like when them raise up parliamentarians' money. People are saying, how the government to do that? And them still answer the people. Then give some reasons why them do it. As a justification. Or what them feel like say was a justification in what they must say. Or what they plan to do. But the people them not agree with it. Just like as them say, go build the airport, the people them say, oh, airport for what? Want to road them for drive to the airport. Majority of the things when the people ask government about, the government seem to sidestep them. I tell them about something else. Tell them about something else them plan to do. Something else good they did go on, and nobody never know about. But the people that say the actual things them way we are talking about, it's like on a year. It's almost like the government that tell the people themselves vote for the opposition. And so some people say them see it. It's almost like based on them actions. Some people within the government actually tell the people themselves put your vote somewhere else. Because certain things them say and do. Them couldn't say and do these things and then feel like say the people are gonna vote for them. Why them that feel like say the people are still vote for them? And with all those say take place, all our people are say different things the way people are complaining about. If I ask the people, do you believe the government can still win a third term? For most surveys, we see like most of the support is for the opposition. And we see more and more support for the opposition. We see even support from places where that you wouldn't expect. Nothing about it. Normally, you have, when an election, civil servants get to vote differently. Get to vote before the general public, because we're going to need civil servants on that specific day. And want to give them right and them time when they can go vote. Now, if civil servants were to take into consideration the fact that the government that is seeking a re-election raise everybody where a deal with politics, parliamentarians, wages, or them say 300%, almost 300%, but not their wages. You feel like them go then go still vote for the same government there? I don't know. I'm going to ask you if you feel like if you think them would do it. I'm going to ask. And for the public, when them think about the very same, I don't know. Some people say, well, they might deal with the road them. Yeah, but that don't put into place now. It has already been signed off on. So even if the government change, the road them are going to deal with the same way. So will that count when people think when they vote, when they cast them vote? Will the fact say an agreement has been signed with a company overseas to deal with the road them make people decide, say, alright, we're going to vote for the government? Remember, what part of things I talk about? What part of concerns with the people I'm talking about? With the people put forward and still the government hasn't addressed? Them still no deal with it. But as I said, normally when the election day, when the vote them don't count, that is when we know who the people them really are say. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. And of course, if you're new to the channel, let's pass through. Click the subscribe icon and the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to try and check out the reasoning and also join the discussion. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love and prosper. I want to stay tuned.